If you want to create a clean film icon in Figma quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to find and insert a film icon using the Iconify plugin inside Figma. This is a great method whether you're designing a UI, building a content project, or just need a professional-looking icon for your layout. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and to subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file where you want to add the icon. Once you're inside your design, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of helpful tools and shortcuts, including plugins and widgets. After clicking Actions, select Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This will open up Figma's plugin and widget options, which is where you can search for useful design tools. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular icon plugins in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of icons without needing to download anything separately. Once you see Iconify in the results, click to run it. The plugin will open and give you a search field. In that search bar, type film and press enter. This tells Iconify to search for film-related icons, and you should see a variety of icon options appear on the screen. Now take a moment to browse the results and find the film icon style that fits your project best. You may see different designs depending on the icon set, so choose the one that matches the look and feel of your layout. After you find the icon you want, simply click and drag it into your Figma canvas. You can then release it and place it wherever you need it. From there, you can resize the icon, change its color, or align it with the rest of your design elements. That's one of the best things about using Iconify inside Figma. It gives you fast access to icons while still keeping everything editable inside your workflow. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a film icon in Figma using the Iconify plugin in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.